Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fold a flasher that moves like this. The model has been designed by Jeremy Schaefer, and if you want this tutorial, type easiest flasher of Jeremy Schaefer on YouTube or Jeremy Schaefer on easiest flasher. And when you hold here and here, just makes like this and forms a cube between. Ready, set, here goes. Alright, for the flasher, we start out with a fresh 6-inch commie, and we also need a marker pen for marking the flasher edges. Okay, not right now. So fold in half, then unfold and fold flat to the crease. Rotate and repeat. And I fold the flap to the crease. Alright, now rotate and repeat. Make a really precise fold and crease sharply. Now turn over and fold the flap to the crease. I always shoot with the camera. Now rotate and now fold the flap the crease. And I want to give you some information. Just while I give you information, follow the steps I do. Alright, the information is about the Copa 2020. That the Copa 2020 decided to protect kids under the years of 13. So they have told you not to allow comments and cards of the video. So on 2020, if you have not done the setting done by D-Limit, just do it. So I can't tell, click right there. So no cards will be there. So nothing came right over there. So alright, this one should be the information of 2020. Always for 2020, not for 2021, 2022 or future. In 2020, I will be uploading video once in a week because of the editing and filming, as you guys know. Alright, now unfold, and there are many squares. Now we need to fold the flap behind right there, and we need to turn over actually and fold the flap to the nearest crease and turn over. So the crease we have folded are facing towards this edge. Now there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 creases. And on the floor we need to do 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the middle square we need to mark. So alright, we take the marker. I'm actually lefty, but I can't manage the righty. So mark the nearest square. So I'm left-handed actually. So from this edge you need to mark to that. Now need to mark from this edge down. Now like that. Now we need to repeat the steps actually. While I'm gonna show on the camera. Alright, so all the markings are done. Now next step of marking is marking right like this. The line goes through it. So over here we need to do like that, and we need to repeat the markings while I'm gonna cut the video. Alright, all the markings are done. Now what we're gonna do is actually gonna try to mark right this point so that but it's not that necessary. So repeat on other sides while I'm gonna cut the video. Alright, now that the collapse part comes for the flasher, we need just to pinch. We just need to pinch this ledge till the point. Till that. Now we need to rotate. And we need to repeat. Pinch and pinch this. Now we need to fold this like that. We need to repeat on this edge. And repeat on the side. Now we need to fold that this. And now we need to make pinch this. And like that, pinch right there. And not only this, we wanna repeat on all the sides, but I wanna show on the camera while repeating. But few only, not all. I know there's a lot of disturbance for you guys, a mad disturbance. Just don't follow them. Just if there are disturbance people talking around, just ignore it. As I stay in New Zealand, I saw Jeremy Schaefer's video. So Jeremy Schaefer stays in US, not in New Zealand. So I'm a big fan of Jeremy. And Jeremy Schaefer has designed this flasher, and if you want this video, just visit his channel, Jeremy Schaefer Origami, and type Jeremy Schaefer Origami flasher. Easiest flasher, I mean. Or this is done. Now we need to just pinch it or till that end of the point like that. Pinch this end of the point like this. Now we need to do the same. Pinch this and till this and like this. We need to go on pinching. Or repeat. Just pinch these and fold it over. That fold over. And pinch right there. And we need to repeat. And fold. Alright, now it's time to collapse actually the flasher. And I'm going to show you how to do it. Alright, for collapsing the flasher, we need to pinch all the edges. Go through them. Alright. Even this. Go. And go. Go through it like that. And crease like that. And there behind it's like this. Crease sharply. Crease. And here is a cube, and we're gonna hold it like this. And there it is, your flasher. Hope you guys enjoyed following the easiest flasher, and see you later. Bye bye.